Hey folks, today's vlog is outside. It is incredibly beautiful out today. I'm ecstatic. The sun has restored me. As all of you know that I'm a walking solar panel and need that extra energy. So, for those of you that are sick of looking at a screen, I want to look at some pine cones and how fascinating they are. This one I thought looked like a beautiful rose. Somehow a beautiful rose. And then we got this guy who is pretty soiled and gross at the bottom, but the top is cool. Just look at all those layers. It's kind of fascinating. Yeah? What else are we interested in here? Baby pine cone. It's really pretty. It's got this little like flower on top. Interesting. And then we got classic beautiful pine. Yeah. Hope you took these few seconds of just enjoying nature and looking at a pine cone instead of looking at a screen. Have a great day. Yes, I am wearing clip-ons. I'm 25 and I'm wearing clip-ons. It's cool, they're cat eye.